It is that time of year again. Config 2025 is happening this week. And if you're going in person, I have a quick tip that can help make your experience so much better. You are going to want to connect with people when you are there, and they are going to want to connect with you. That is the biggest, I think, best part about config. And as someone who has attended a few configs now, this has been a lifesaver. What I did was I created a QR code to put on the lock screen of my phone. So as soon as I meet a new person, I just flash my phone like this, they can scan it, and they can get all of my contact info. And so last year I made a little Figma template that's in the community, and I'm going to show you how you can use it and like a few extra things that I do to make it really stand out. So the first thing is that you need a website that you're going to link to. And I like to make a separate little Linktree style website just for this conference. And this kind of has all my relevant stuff, like links to my YouTube channel, all of my social medias, anything relevant and important that I want people to know about me at this conference in a glance. And then I have snapshots. These are photos that I uploaded from last year and the year before, and just, you know, all the people that I was hanging out with and I met along the way. This is something I can just update from my phone. And I'm using a platform called Simple, and it's just a really easy website builder that is just a couple of dollars that you can, you know, put up with a URL like I just had config 2025 Elizabeth. And it's just kind of easy to keep this updated and not have to like fuss with your main site if you have a main portfolio. And sometimes things get sort of lost on social media feeds and stuff like that. So this is just a nice direct way to do that. So it's really simple. You just get an account, make your website on Simple like this. To make it even easier, you can clone this website. I'll leave the link here in the description, and just start with this template and it'll look exactly like this, and you can just upload your picture and, you know, you just click like edit section here and then replace your image. All very easy stuff. It'll take you just a couple of minutes. And then because this is all mobile friendly, you'll be able to just keep this updated from your phone while you're at the conference. And then I am going to go over to this simple config connect kit that I made. And it has a link to this template so you can customize it. And then you can just replace your headshot here. And this is the config logo, and you can add your own logo if you want. And then you're going to use this as like the meta image for your website. So then you can go back over here and upload it in the settings so that you have that, you know, cute meta image when you share the URL. And then Simple will generate a QR code for your website, and that's right here. And click on QR code. And if you don't need a website, if you already have one that you want to link to, you can use Simple's free QR code generator, and then you would just click on that and just put in whatever website it is, and it's going to generate this cool image for you. And then you can download this as an SVG or a PNG or a JPEG, and then you can drop that right into this file here. So this is basically what the end file will look like. It can have your picture if you want, and then you just save this as an image to your phone and then set it as your lock screen. Here it is. I just unlock my phone and there you have it. Now you can go around the conference flashing that bad boy and connect with everyone. And I hope you'll connect with me if you see me there. And I hope this makes it an easier, fun experience for you. See you at Config 2025.